Like this, you're recording like this. See, we are recording now this everything video. This is Basil. He make the cake, muffins, date cake, lemon cake. This is Basil. He's the one our baker chef for Lausanne Cafe. He make all the pastry items, sandwiches, cakes, red velvet. We have this golden cake. We have this blueberry cheesecake. We have the chocolate cake. Okay, these are the items we have here in Lausanne Cafe. So this is the front side. Yes, we have also Shaptia pastry made by Mr. Basil. Shanta, falafel, salad. Okay. This is our bar, Lausanne Cafe. Okay, these are the sweets items. Say hi. Say hi. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Come here. Yes, of course. This is our guy making. Please show the menu for Lausanne Cafe. No, the new one. Yes.
This coffee.
This is our coffee, special coffee for Lausanne Cafe.
Okay.
So
This is our juice.
yes, this is the cold drinks, very nice.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you very much, sir. You are welcome.
okay. This is the space, the bar. We have this small TV here. Okay. Yes, looking nice here at the shop area. This is Lausanne Capri from Swiss, but made in Kuwait. Okay.